Hello and welcome to installing the Mailing List Studio tutorial on an Apple macOS system. To do this, we're going to install three programs. The first one is going to be Parallel Desktops for the virtualization software. The second one is going to be Windows 8.1 operating system. And finally, the Mailing List Studio software. The first step is to download and install the Parallel Desktop software on your Mac. Once downloaded, we're going to install the software by double-clicking the icon. We're going to allow it to install. We're going to accept the software license agreement. The system is going to ask us for the main user password. We provide it and hit OK. The Parallel Desktops is going to be the virtualization software that we're going to use, in which we are going to install the Windows OS system. Once the software is installed, it's going to ask us if we want to participate in the customer experience program. You may accept or not in here. After that, we're going to see that Parallel Desktop is going to boot for the first time. You may provide all the information that is required, and once we have that, we are going to have our virtualization desktop environment ready. Good, now we have the Parallel Wizard where we are going to build our first virtual machine. In this case, we're going to select the option to install Windows from an image, an ISO image that you're going to provide. We select it and hit continue. Now Parallel is searching for all available images. In this case, we're going to select a Windows 8.1 image, which is in English language. To do that, we only need to select it and click continue. There's no need to introduce any product key in this case, and we are going to hit continue. And for this type of installation, we are going to select from all the options that we are presented. We are going to select the productivity option so we can use it as a day-by-day computer. You may name it or leave it as a default. And click continue. And now we allow the system to build the first virtual machine with our Windows 8.1 image. We wait just a little bit more. And we finally have our Windows 8.1 environment ready. Now we are going to proceed and download the software from our Mailing List Studio website so we can install the software in this machine. To do that, we open our favorite browser, in this case Internet Explorer, and the URL of the website, which is www.mailingliststudio.com. Good. We're now in the website. We go to Software and select Download. It's going to take us to the download page. We're going to go further down and we are going to download the software. In this case, we're going to download the .executable version. We click it and it begins to download. Please remember to allow the system so it can save the program on this computer. Please allow to run the program. And now the software is installing. And here we select yes, so we can start. We may select the language that we prefer. In this case, we're going to select English. And then we start with the software installing dialog. We accept the agreement and click Next. And we finish. We click Finish, and we finally have our Mailing List Studio software running in our Mac. To start it, we go to the icon of the Mailing List Studio, which is going to be on the desktop, and double-click it. We now have a nice splash screen when we can find the software and all the options. Each option, when you click it, is going to start each module. In this case, we selected the Account Manager module. We can see all the options. We can see the Message Editor module also. and the newsletter builder module. Great, now we have our mailing list studio correctly working in a Macintosh computer by using parallel desktops. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.